story! So today is New York Day 11. So welcome to Chinatown. Today we are here in Chinatown exploring the area, and then after that we will go to Little Italy and then to the Lower East Side.
Yes.
So we start here in Chinatown now, and we have a lot of yummy things to do and a lot of yummy things to taste.
It's really, really good. I read about this place, the Chinatown Ice Cream Factory, and they are famous for their a bit unusual flavors. I wanted to come and try it. It's very creamy. Coconut fudge and Vietnamese coffee, and I love Vietnamese coffee, so that was an easy choice for me. I would like to try the wasabi one because I tried wasabi ice cream once and it was so good. Sometimes we have it here, but not today, so I guess we need to come back. This is mine.
We could do like Amelie style.
And this place, Mei Lai Wah, is famous for their pork buns.
We had 2 roasted pork buns plus sticky rice, and I've got a thing with sticky rice. $6.46. Nothing. So now we're going to
Columbus Park!
Columbus Park, which is a park here in Chinatown, at the edge of Chinatown. And it seems there are a lot of activities there.
Oh, yeah, we have to move. Sorry, guys. So let's go and see what the guys are doing. So it seems like most people are playing
games that I have
no, I think it's mahjong.
It's mahjong. Do you know how to play mahjong?
No, I don't know.
Anybody of you know how to play mahjong? If yes, write down in the comment below. We have
Step 1, 2, 3, how to play mahjong.
So now
Where should we sit? Is it busy everywhere?
maybe down there.
Okay. Yay! Judy found a place for us. In the shadow, right? Amazingness! So we're going to eat our stuff now. This is the pork bun. Really, really good. For this one is $135, which is is a really good
Including
price.
tax.
What? Including tax, including tax. And they sell it also without the meat.
I think
And also
we
with
can.
coconut and pineapple. And
Oh, with coconut must be like that.
pineapple also. A lot of different things. Chinatown is perfect if you want to eat a bit cheaper food.
Yeah, cheaper but without eating crappy stuff. I mean,
Oh yeah,
it is.
everything we tried so far. The ice cream was really good. This one is really good. And now we're going to try the
Sticky rice cooked in a banana leaf.
ice thing.
So there is chicken inside. It's really tender. The flavor is really good. Since Vietnam, I'm crazy for sticky rice.
A lot of plastic though when you eat this kind of food. We don't really like it. It's very good, but I don't think it's not that kind of sticky rice that we're used to from example Laos. It's not that sticky, but yeah, it's very good anyway.
So, okay, Little Italy honestly was not that nice. A lot of Italian restaurants, and I was checking a bit the menus, I was checking what the people was eating, and as Italian I have to say, it didn't look so good, honestly. And other thing is full of just shops for tourists, like gift shops, memorabilia, and when I see like so many of those shops, I honestly don't think they make the area any nice. So I have to say, if you really want to go and see Little Italy, do it. But if you're a bit undecided, you honestly don't have to go and check.
We are outside Flamingo's Vintage, which is a shop close to East Village, and we heard they should have really nice vintage clothes, and we love vintage, so we really want to check it out now. So I found this and it's so new. It's very nice. I would love to buy it, but it's a bit broken there, and then it has some marks on it, but it's so nice. I'm really sad that it's not in the best condition. Arcade. So this is the second arcade bar we're going to here in New York, and this one is really nice too. Say studio. So let's go and check how it looks inside. Ready to play. Okay, which one do you want to play?
Did you ever try Final Fight?
No, I don't think so.
You have to chew and then
Okay, let's go for that one. Yeah?
One credit. Two credit. Are you ready?
Let's make turtles.
We have just been to Obscura Antiques and Oddities. Unfortunately, we asked the lady if we could film inside, but she said only for private purposes. So no, nothing. We couldn't film anything inside, but we absolutely suggest you to go and see. It's evening here in New York City, and we are here at another retro video game place. So we are here at Video Games New York, and we are going inside to check how it is, how it looks, and if we can some little video game to bring home. So fingers crossed. Okay, this stuff is from even before when I started to play video games. I don't know if you ever seen this one.
No. Maybe I was not born.
This one is very old. It's like for PCs. You put this one in, you lock it, and then you type load, and then brackets, star, and then 8, and then enter.
Okay.
And then it starts. I had a friend that had the father that had some of the video games like this.
Is this a video game heaven, right?
It's amazing. It's amazing. See? Look what I have. This is amazing.
Ghostbusters 2.
So we have just been to New York Video Games. This shop is amazing. They have really old stuff. They have like the huge old floppy disk, and they have stuff like from the beginning of the 80s. They had an old Amiga 500 that I used to have when I was 8 years old, and also they're really nice. They've been super helpful because I asked a lot of things, and they told me so many useful informations. So we will be back here for some purchase hopefully. If you love retro games, if you love video games, this place is a heaven.
that was I can't say it. Do 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 do.